Meaning of discriminating.
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 Discriminating. The word discriminating can have different meanings depending on the context. In a positive sense, it can refer to someone who has excellent taste and is able to discern subtle differences in quality. However, more commonly, it is used to describe someone who unfairly treats people differently based on characteristics such as race, gender, or age. This kind of discrimination can lead to prejudice and marginalization, and it is important to acknowledge and combat it in order to create a more equal and just society.